Hello everyone, I'm Shivani Galera from Poddar International College. I'm Assistant Professor at Design Department and I teach fashion. So today with us we have Dr. Piyanut Jingjit, who has joined us for International Conference on Innovative Design, Sustainability and Technology in Textiles. Dr. Jingjit delivered an insightful session on the future of fashion and textile education adapting to global challenges. Let's take a moment to speak with her and hear about her experience here at PIC. We warmly welcome you, ma'am, and we would like to know your overall experience at our college till now.
Yes, I impressed with your welcome and ceremony and your people. And I think in here in Poddar, they welcome me is beyond my expectation. I just a normal lecturer in Thailand. I teach in textile engineering and we have different way of welcome guests, but you have a very nice way to welcome us, and thank you very much for inviting us here.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, how was your overall experience in interacting with our design students at the design department? How do you think their work was? Like, how did you like their work? Like, what was your experience?
Yeah, before I came to this hall, we visit a few showcase, and you have a very hardworking student, and their inspiration and turn into the product or turn into the new design is quite similar to everywhere in the world, but you have the unique art here, you have the unique inspiration subject here, so the design everywhere in the world will be different, and every student, if you have the same inspiration, you might not have the same product or same design. So this individual design or this individual inspiration is make the fashion design more charming, more unique for each one, and this is important. So if your student can see the different culture or see the different inspiration to feel the different things or different pain point, I believe that they can make even better design, and you can compete to everyone in the world with your unique design.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and we again warmly welcome you at Poddar International College.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Poddar Group of Institutions